Hi everyone, welcome back to AutoNervex. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most talked about performance SUVs in the automotive world, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's bold step into the high-performance luxury SUV segment, blending breathtaking Italian design, ferocious performance, and everyday usability in a way that only Ferrari could pull off. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. In full detail. First impressions. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is a masterpiece of sculpted elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia features a sleek and aggressive nose with slim, piercing LED headlights integrated into the flowing body lines. The sculpted hood, wide front grille, and subtle aerodynamic channels give the SUV a sporty stance, while massive air intakes ensure optimal cooling for the high-performance engine. Along the sides, the body is sleek yet muscular, with a low roofline that gives it a coupe-like silhouette. The rear is equally stunning, featuring quad exhaust pipes, a sporty diffuser, and Ferrari's signature slim taillights that stretch. Across the back, every panel is shaped with purpose, combining aesthetics with aerodynamics. Inside, the Purosangue offers a luxurious yet performance-focused cabin. Step in, and you're greeted by premium materials everywhere: fine Italian leather, carbon fiber inserts, brushed aluminum details, and precision stitching. The cockpit is driver-oriented, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display with Ferrari's latest interface. The passenger gets their own dedicated display, adding to the unique Ferrari experience. The steering wheel is equipped with Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, giving the driver quick access to performance settings. Despite being a Ferrari, rear seat comfort is impressive, with ample legroom and headroom, making it a true four-seater GT SUV. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with light, enhancing the sense of space and luxury. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the Purosangue truly earns its badge. Powering this beast is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine producing around 715 horsepower and 716 newton-meters of torque, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It delivers blistering acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and a top speed of over 310 kilometers per hour. The sound of the V12 is pure Ferrari magic, a symphony that thrills both driver and bystanders alike. Adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and carbon ceramic brakes ensure precision handling even at high speeds, while still offering comfort for long-distance touring. In terms of technology, the Purosangue is loaded with advanced driver assistance features: a premium 3D surround sound system, WiRS, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and state-of-the-art climate control. Ferrari's engineering ensures that even though it's an SUV, the driving experience is as engaging as any of their sports cars. The chassis has been tuned for agility, making the Purosangue feel lighter and more responsive than you would expect from an SUV. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity is the key word. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, but with customization through Ferrari's tailor-made program, buyers can easily push that number much higher. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of performance, luxury, and exclusivity, aimed at those who demand the very best. To sum it up, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue isn't just Ferrari's first SUV, it's a new chapter in the brand's history. It manages to stay true to Ferrari's DNA of speed, emotion, and craftsmanship, while offering practicality and comfort. For those who have the means, it's the ultimate blend of supercar performance and SUV versatility. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AutoNervex for more detailed and passionate car reviews. See you in the next one.